Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have a fun one. Today we are trying to make a layered cake topper. These are the tools that I used. And the colored cardstock that I used. You'll also need to have Creative Fabrica and Cricut design space. So let's get started. After downloading from Creative Fabrica this design, we add two pennants, rotate one 90 degrees and the other 270 degrees. Move them next to each other. Highlight them both. Click on a line bottom. Now we are going to add 3 circles. We are going to make a cloud with these shapes. Move and adjust. Highlight all and click weld. Then right click and duplicate. Adjust the size and place on our design. Highlight everything and click on group, then duplicate. We are going to ungroup the second design. Highlight the ropes, click on offset. Adjust to 0.04 inches and click apply. Then highlight, click on weld. Click on offset, change to 0.08 inches and click apply. If you didn't get a solid background, click on the gray duplicate, contour, hide all contours, and exit. Move to the side. Now we're going back to the original design. Highlight, copy, ungroup, and we are taking the red balloon and our clouds. Delete everything that's yellow and the ropes. Then group the elephant and duplicate. We're going to weld that duplicate and move to the side. Then duplicate the elephant again, ungroup, remove the basket and the elephant's body, group and duplicate, weld one, then ungroup the first elephant's head, remove the ears, remove the eyes, bring to front and move it across. And group the other elephant, delete everything except the trunks and the eyes. Then highlight both eyes, weld, highlight everything, click slice, and this is how we will get the eyes to show through without having small pieces, and move our basket to the side. And we're going again, ungroup, move the clouds aside, delete everything except the balloon, highlight all, the yellow pieces. To do this, you can click on shift and then click arrow. Click on weld. Highlight everything again. Click on slice. Remove the yellow and the red. And now we'll have the star and circle cut out. Then bring to front our clouds and move it to the side. Now we are going to edit colors. This is entirely up to you and based on whatever cardstock you have. And remember, even if you choose a color on the screen, it doesn't matter, it's based on what color cardstock you have. You could also work with the menu on the right side. Instead of clicking exactly on the screen, you can click on that side and change colors. Now we're going to add text. I will link a video on how to use font on Fabrica so that you can get this type of Y instead of the basic Y. Here we are going to rearrange the letters and also use put the full stop at the end of the Y for our I. To be able to move the letters around, click on the word and click on group. When you are finished, you can click on weld. Now, in order to remove the dot from our I, on group, duplicate the I. Click on align, click on center, then click on weld, contour, and unclick the I. Now rearrange as you desire. Click on offset twice on 0.04 inches. This is to create layers and change colors as desired. This is strictly again so that it will be on different cutting mats and not specifically what color it will be. And then send everything to cut. Now it's time to assemble. Starting off with my yellow piece, which is the balloon without any of the stars or circle cutouts, and you can add foam tape. I think I kind of overdid the foam tape, but that's okay. Then click that on the white. Now moving on to the clouds. Just adding 2 small pieces of the foam tape, and the part of the cloud that touches the yellow balloon, we use tacky glue. Now for the pink part, adding foam tape to the back of it. I am pulling it back out because I just realized I did not flip my cutout before putting my foam tape, so I had to remove the foam tape and straight it back. Now adding the second layer of the clouds, which is for me silver. Same routine, adding 2 pieces of foam tape and then tacky glue on the side that touches the pink part of the balloon. Now to assembling our baby elephant. First I started with the solid gray body, then the gray head, then the black trunk and the green trunk. That way you can see the eyes. Now for the basket, and that was it for the elephant. Moving now to the text. This is the middle layer of the text. We have 3 sizes. First I add blue to the middle, which is yellow for me, because the text was thin. My cutout was in pieces, but that is fine because we have a thick layer at the end. Now to flip over the yellow, add foam tape to stick it to the third and final layer of text. And then flipping over that again and adding foam tape to stick this to the balloon. Now to add the stick, which is actually a swizzling stick or a mixing stick I found on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Using hot glue, stick it to the center of the balloon. And this is how I get the foam tape to be in pieces. I found this trick on a class that I did on Fabrica. And then adding tacky glue onto the swivel stick, and then finally assembling all the pieces together. If it's not aligned, simply pull apart and readjust. My issue at the end is that when you are seeing the rope, the cake topper was flopping, so I decided to take some of my swivel stick and add it behind the balloon on the last layer, and also to the back with hot glue exactly where I was getting the bend. And I also added one more layer behind to hide the adjustment, and that's it. This is how they turned out. Let me know what you think. If you try this design, be sure to let me know on my different social media links down below. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.